Yo, it's your boy Chakram, and today I'm back with another GeForce Now video. This video is a sequel to another video I made a while back, which is basically about the common error code 0xc0f1103f. Basically, I thought I should make a new video about that error code because it got a 50-50 response. It worked for some, and for others it didn't. The method in today's video will be very simple, and I consider it to be a bypass in a way. You are giving up streaming quality for the purpose of being able to play, so just keep that in the back of your head. If you're getting this issue because your computer has bad specs, you can run the online version of GeForce Now. I'm almost 100% sure any computer can run it because I ran it on Chromebooks before, no problem. Anyways, enough with the explanation. I'm going to show you guys how you guys can access the online version of GeForce Now. So first things first, you'll need to have an updated browser. There are many browsers you can use like Firefox, Opera, Chrome, Safari, and many more. But for this, I'll specifically be using Chrome. In the search bar at the top, all you need to do is search up play.geforcenow.com. And it's that simple. You're already on the online version of GeForce Now. Now all you need to do is just follow whatever this says over here, click got it, and then all you need to do is click log in, and then it'll automatically find what region you're in and it'll do it accordingly. It'll give you a sign in accordingly. As I mentioned before, streaming quality will be sacrificed and there are significantly less games than there would be on the app. But if you can play at all, then I'd recommend this because at least you can still play even if streaming quality and the amount of games they offered is sacrificed. Anyways, that's it for today. I know this is a short video, but I'm trying to make this video as short as possible while including all the information that you need to know. If you did find this video helpful, then please leave a like and subscribe. I would greatly appreciate it. If we do get a certain amount of likes, I will find more methods to this issue. I'm also trying to get 1,000 subs, and every sub would be appreciated. I will also keep a goal of uploading more if I can. That's only if you guys can suggest me any more error codes and issues with GeForce Now so I can plan out beforehand. But yeah, I do hope to be able to post more in the future. I probably will post more in the future, and there most likely will be a part 3 as well to this because I've found more fixes on forums and Reddits and stuff. So there definitely will be another video. Just wait for that. And yeah, thank you for watching.